Hello everyone, my name is Ali. I'm a broker with Remax Hallmark here to present you my latest listing, a 187 Hawkview Blvd in Vellore Village, my home turf. This community is perfect for young couples and small families looking to plant their roots. You are literally seconds to minutes away from everything. Let's talk about this beautiful 3-story townhome that you're absolutely going to love. Starting off with the exterior, we have a landscape front yard, an extended driveway for your second car, as well as a covered porch. And as we tour the inside of the property, we're right now on the first floor. We have a powder room here, we've got a closet, and in through here we're into the cozy family room, which has a sliding glass door and it gives access to the fenced backyard. And just behind here, we have the mud room that has a door for both the garage, the backyard, and a very large closet for additional storage space. And on the second floor here, we have this massive living room with very large windows, this fireplace, as well as hardwood floors. And coming through here, we have this corridor that gives you a large closet for additional storage space, as well as a second powder room because nobody wants to run up and down just to use the bathroom. Coming through here, we have a dining room with large south-facing windows, and then this very large kitchen that has ample cabinet space, under cabinet lighting, granite countertops, that doubles as a breakfast bar, as well as stainless steel appliances and a gas range. Now, this space has an additional bonus, which is the balcony, great for morning espressos. Now, what I didn't mention is that there's not just one, but two. And up here on the third floor, we start off on a balcony, making our way into the primary bedroom that has a very large walk-in closet as well as ensuite. And as we come down the hallway, we have a linen closet here, your second full bathroom, as well as bedrooms 2 and number 3. This townhome is facing north and south to allow in all that glorious natural sunlight, boasting over 2,000 square feet of living space as well as a finished basement. Unlike most 3-story townhomes in the area, this actually has a backyard, which is perfect for barbecues, family gatherings, or just to relax.